que hoje aqui nos trouxe. Muito obrigado.
Monsieur Ferreira, Madame Herzog.
Thank you, Chairman. Commissioner, now it's English. When my grandma was born, she was one of the 2 billion living in the earth. When I was born, I was one of the 5 billion on the earth. And when my granddaughter will be born, she will be one of the 9 billion living in the earth. So the extensive technologies must change by intensive technologies for any resources, including the rare materials. Therefore, I'd like to remember somebody who 100 years ago has got a Nobel Prize in chemistry for separation and purification for radium and polonium, namely Maria Skłodowska, known as Madame Curie. We need Madame Curies. We need scientists. We need the breakthrough technologies. And therefore, I'd like to ask you, Commissioner, to put all of your efforts that chemistry will remain a place for talents, for young talents in Europe. Thanks so much.
Merci, Madame Herzog. Madame Merkies.
Voorzitter. Ja, commissaris, we kunnen de grondstoffen gaan halen. We kunnen ze liever houden.